Good day. It's great to be coming out to Australia. Both my brother and my brother-in-law live there, so it's going to be quite exciting to come and see Sydney and Brisbane and come and see Australia for the first time. But I'd like to give you a good reason to come and see me and come and see what we're doing, and that's about true bone regeneration. It's simple. This is the way it works. I cannot regenerate anyone else's bone but my own. I cannot regenerate my patient's bone. So therefore, the best way we can do it is actually work with their host physiology and the host biology to improve the outcomes. And that's what EthOss is all about, really, is about minimalizing, doing the minimum amount of surgery for the optimal results and the optimal outcomes. And this is by taking advantage of the miracle of host healing. And this is what we want to come and speak to you about and show you what we've been doing in our last 6,000 grafts by not using membranes, not using animal materials. Oddly, yes, the patients will like what we're doing, and they do like what we're doing here, and you will be impressed with the results. And this is actually simplifying matters, and that's one of the most important things what we're going to be doing, showing you in our clinical cases as well as our studies, both clinical cases and animal-based cases. So I'm really looking forward to coming down to seeing you in Sydney, Melbourne and Brisbane with W9 to introduce and to show what we're doing in EthOss in the next generation of true host bone regeneration. Thank you very much. Look forward to seeing you then. Bye-bye.